Imagine it's the early 20th century. You're on a ship in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Suddenly, you hear this. That's a Morse code, a language dots and dashes that revolutionized communication. Welcome to our Morse code training program. Hi, we meet again. So, what exactly are dots and dashes? Dots are short signals, while dashes are long signals. By combining these dots and dashes in different patterns, you can spell out words and message. Let's take a look at a few examples. For example, the letter E is a single dot. The letter T is a single dash. And the combination of the dot and the dash represent the letter A. Pretty cool, right? But Morse code is more than just letters and numbers. It's a system that changed the world.
Oh, hi there. Today we are diving into the history of Morse code. Let's go!
In 1840, Samuel F.B. Morse and Alfred Vail teamed up to create a Morse code, a grounding way to send a message over the long Morse code usually used for ship-to-ship and ship-to-shore communication in maritime. It can also be used in military operation, amateur radio, and the most important is emergency situation. During war and at sea, Morse code was a lifeline, sending vital message that saved lives. Morse code is simple, powerful, and useful for our lifetime experience. Excited, right? Stay curious and keep exploring the wonder of Morse code.
Hey! So, today, I want to teach you guys a few words of Morse code.
Okay.
First one is SOS, used for universal distress signal, and the Morse code is ... ...... The next word is stop,
Stop it. Get some help.
used for in warning or command, and the Morse code is ... ...... The last word is here, used to indicate your location, and the Morse code is ... ...and ... That's three words of Morse code for this training program. Can you demonstrate the Morse code?
Okay, so first you need to scan the QR code to access the website. 1, 2, 3. Already accessed? Okay, Okay, so you already accessed the website. So after you access the website, it will show like this. First, we do as example SOS. Then we choose sound and the light. Then we play. In another way, we can also type the Morse code. 3 dot for S, space, 3 dash for O, space, and another 3 dot. Okay, so that's all for our training program. So before end of the program, you can play the quiz for about 10 questions. After that, when you finish the quiz, you also can fill in our feedback form. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.